welcome to Mary's Math Club.
Just like commutative law, associative law, another binary composition law is distributive law. To do this distributive law, we need at least 3 elements and 2 operations. Obviously, the operations are binary operations. So, suppose the set is S and the elements of S are A, B, C, D and and the 2 binary operations are, I am denoting with asterisk sign one operation and another operation just like a small circle. So then it will be this distributive law will be A asterisk B, this composition C, and then other side it will be A asterisk B distributing and A asterisk C. Look at here. Here this asterisk sign means this operation, binary operation. Yes, this binary operation is here. Is asterisk sign and then this operation. And then on the right hand side, I just distributed this A with here with B and this composition is here in between and then A asterisk C. So what is going on here, that if this operation, what I have denoted with asterisk sign, if this operation means this one I am saying about, if this operation is commutative, then clearly we can say that the things will be commutative, means it will hold the right hand side equal to left hand side. And another thing is that in this case, whenever we are writing this we will say that this asterisk, this operation is over this operation. Now with an example we will make it more clear. So another thing from this equation, it is clear before discussion with example, that if this operation itself is not commutative, then it can't be distributive. Distribution is not possible. Distributive law is not possible, not satisfied. So now at a glance, distributive law is if the set is S containing the elements A, B, C like this, and the operation what I have denoted here, sign here with one green circle inscribed addition and another operation with red color asterisk, then A, the element A, the operation green color operation inscribed with addition with B asterisk C is equal to A green circle inscribed addition sign B asterisk A green circle with inscribed addition sign C. Means first on the left hand side I did first the operation between B and C, then that one with A, and in the case of the right hand side, first we are doing the operation between A and B and A and C, and then the 2 result, and we are doing the operation with 2 result again. So if our set operation is multiplication and addition, and if our set is the set of integers, and then we are choosing 3 elements at a random, suppose 5 minus 7 11. So then we will write 5 multiplication minus 7 plus 11 is equal to, it will give the result 5 into 4 is equal to 20, and on the other hand side we will write 5 multiplication sign into minus 7 plus 5 into 11 is equal to, it will give minus 35 plus 55 is equal to 20, and so at the end we will write RHS is equal to LHS. So LHS is giving the result 20, and also as well as RHS is also giving the result 20. Means LHS is equal to RHS. So it is satisfying distributive law. Now suppose our set is the set of natural number. Okay, so I'm writing set of S is the set of natural numbers, all natural numbers. Set of natural numbers S. Generally, set of natural numbers are denoted by N, caps N, but it's okay for you. So now we will take any three elements from this set. Suppose I'm taking here 4, 7, 11. Okay. So now, according to the associative law, we will say, and the operations obviously, and the two operations are multiplication and addition. So now, according to the associative law, it will be like that: 4 into 7 plus 11. So what will happen here? See, 7 plus 11 means 18. So 4 into 18 is equal to 72. And now we will do the other way. So means the right hand side means 4 multiplication 7, and now this plus sign will be middle because I am distributing into 4 into 11. So it will give us 28 plus 44. 28 plus 44 means 72. So this right hand side is equal to this left hand side. So multiplication is distributive. The operation multiplication is distributive. And so it is satisfying the distributive law. So this is distributive law, and always keep it in mind that for distributive law, to do distributive law, 3 elements are needed and 2 operations are needed. And important thing is that see here, this operation is commutative. So whenever this operation is commutative, it means before I have seen this operation as asterisk, it will be then distributive. It will have a chance to be distributive. Like, share and subscribe Mary's Math Club. Bye.